If x to the eighth power equals to y, y to the bth power equals to z, and z to the cth power equals to x, then what is the value of ABC? That is a times b times c. Okay, now let me consider the first equation we have over here, that is x to the eighth power equals to y. Now let's consider the third equation. Here is z to the cth power equals to x. Since z to the cth power equals to x, we can plug in this one for x over here. Then we get z to the cth power, and we can take this exponent a as it is equals to y. Here on the left side, a power is raised to another power. Whenever a power is raised to another power, we can multiply the two exponents using the power of power rule in exponents. Then we have z to the power of, when I multiply these two exponents, I am getting a times c equals to y. Now let's consider the second equation. Here we have y to the bth power equals to z. Since this y to the bth power is equal to z, we can plug in this y to the bth power for z over here. Then we have y to the bth power, and we can take this exponent AC as it is equals to y. Again, we can use the power of power rule. That is, whenever a power is raised to another power, we can multiply these two exponents. Then I am getting y to the power of b times AC, or it can be written as a times b times c. On the right side, we can write this y as it is. What is the exponent of this y on the right side? Whenever there is no exponent, we have to assume there is an exponent 1 over here. Now, two powers are equal with the same base y. Whenever two powers are equal, then we can equate the exponents. When I equate the exponents, I am getting ABC equals to 1. Here I got the value of ABC, its value is 1.